Trey. Uh-oh. Such a soothing noise, isn't it? They're doing it about 5 minutes now, back and forth in the kitchen. Thank you. You want to stop now? Yeah? 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 Oh, thank you. You're giving me a hug. Mm-hmm. You're back to the stool, aren't you? Oh. No, 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 no. He's throwing things in the trash can and the sink now. It's a lot of fun cleaning them out. Thank you. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Trey. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Nothing. Uh-oh. He's gonna fuss with it. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. He cleans my Tupperware out of this cabinet. They're all unorganized because he pulls them out every day and I have to put them back 2 or 3 times a day. You finished? All right, let's go. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. I need to clean out my sink. Trey, say bye-bye. 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 Bye-bye.